What's up, guys? Kirby Smith coming to you today from a roof that is leaking, not leaking on the shingles, but we got shingle problems. There are shingles that are moving right here. We got shingles that are mislaid right there. You should not see those unions together. You can look up and they kind of stair step perfectly. We got leaks at pipe boots, leaks at ridge vents, at least potential ones, and that ridge vent should be leaking. This pipe boot over here, no good. So far we've got shingles that have slid, shingles that are mislaid, ridge vents that should be leaking, pipe flashing that should be leaking. This is actually the area of concern that we were called out to look at. This is a low slope valley, and somebody knows there's been issues. This is caulking all over this thing. Really, I suspect the leak to be in this wall. And if you're starting to pull this wall out and fixing a step flashed wall correctly, that's about right where the roof leak is, right there. That's a pretty big job to do that correctly. You'll be putting TPO back in here, and then quite frankly, you'd probably want to be re-shingling this front portion of the roof. So what we're going to do is we're going to give the owner a long-term bid, which is a re-roof, and then a short-term solution, which is repairing this portion of roofing in here correctly. As you can see, this membrane right here has got cracks and it's gnarly, and this thing should be leaking. I know it may not be leaking, but it should be leaking. So I'm gonna get some pricing for this, so that there's a couple of choices for this owner. Guys, thank you so much for viewing. Kirby Smith with Lightspeed.